I'm going to do portrait format so that way you can see everything that I'm doing. You decide if you want to do landscape, which is bloop, or portrait. All right, so let's see here. Let's start with a tiny circle for the top here, for the forehead. Yeah? You decide what side of your page you want it. I'm going to put it over here. Okay. Got my little forehead. Now, I wonder how long is my cow's face? I'm going to measure with my little circle here. I got 1, 2, 1, 2. Nose is going to start here. I'm just making a nose mark. You don't have to write that down. I'm just writing it down for our reference, so that way we know what to do with it later. Okay, so if I were to split the head down in half, okay, how far is the face of my cow out from my center line here? Let's see, how many circles is it? 1. So I'm literally going to use the circle in my forehead to figure out this half of my cow's face. It is 1 forehead circle wide. Okay. Let's measure. Another forehead circle on the other side. And then we are going to kind of make like a seagull shape. Ready? Like this, seagull. And the point of your seagull is going to be right where your center guideline comes down. It's literally like creating 2 curved lines that create a V right in the center. That's going to be the V in your nose. Alright, so now that we have where our nose is and the top of our head is, it's safe to kind of connect the dots here and start putting in the side of the cow's face, right? So let's just use a long sloping line, because we're dealing with a cartoon figure here. We're not dealing with a realistic cow face. So this is going to be, this little stretched out gumdrop shape is going to literally be from the nose all the way up to the forehead. I want to see how many foreheads this cow nostril is. It's like huge, right? So let's check. I think it's 1. Oh, it's more than 1. It's 1. It's 1.5. It's 1.5 foreheads, silly teacher. So take your forehead circle here, take your measurement, drop it down to the top of your nostril curve, okay? And then cut your second forehead measurement in half. So this should be 1.5 foreheads tall. 1.5. See that? So let's kind of connect the dot here and add our curve for the mouth. Now if you want the mouth to be more like the picture, don't make such a strong curve like teacher. But teacher is going to, I'm going to exaggerate. I'm going to make this mouth really big because I really want to stress the cartoon style here. So if you want your mouth to be more like the picture, bring your curve in a bit. If you want it to be like mine, then just leave it as is. All right. So I'm pretty sure if we use our forehead circle, I'm pretty sure that this circle is about 1 forehead big. And it is. It is. So I'm going to stretch mine out just a little bit out to here, because remember, I'm exaggerating. I'm exaggerating my cheek or whatever, nostril, whatever you call it. All right, so if we were to split this mouth in half, what about the other side? How big is like this part? I wonder. It is close, very close to one forehead wide and one forehead tall. Okay, so let's do one forehead tall and I'm going to bring that up a bit. Yep. And one forehead wide. There we go. Now, if you want the mouth off to the side, like your cow is kind of, eating a flower, or, you can do that by tucking your curve up and then making kind of like an M shape here for the lips. Totally up to you. If you don't want this, then don't draw it. If you want it, then draw it. And we're going to tuck in this curve here just a little bit near the base of your M tail right here to kind of give that little pucker. And you get to decide, do you want a flower in there? Do you want a piece of grass? Do you want like a straw? I mean, what do you want? Do you want your cow drinking a milkshake? Your art, your choice. I am going to do the flower because I just think the flower is just so darn cute. So bear with me here. You can decide if you want this flower stem to turn into a straw and have your cow be drinking a milkshake or a soda. Totally up to you. But if we were to bring our line down, the neck is very, very skinny. It's kind of like, it's half of your cow's forehead circle. So that neck right here is literally half of your cow's forehead circle. And then it kind of fans out. Feel free to erase your extra line in here. Maybe add 2 curves, kind of for like the bridge of your nose. They have really long faces, right? With really thick noses. So this is going to be like the bridge of your nose that connects right to your eyeballs. And literally, we are going to draw 2 ovals about 1 forehead circle tall on each side of your center guideline here. We got a center guideline, so let's do it. And it looks like those eyes cut halfway into your center guideline. Your center circle here. So you see how it's going halfway up. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And you can make them super big, like this. This is super big. I can make them big if I want. Looks kind of weird because we don't have our ears or our horn or our spots yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I'm going to add 2 pupils. And I'm going to erase my center guideline. I don't need it anymore. I'm going to add 2 pupils, 2 horns, and these are kind of like almost like a teardrop shapes. So teardrop here, and a teardrop here. Now, if you want a little flop in there, or if you want your ears to look a little different, this is your art, your choice. You can decide to ad-lib or adjust as you go. Totally up to you. Okay. What I would do is I would definitely add a little bit of a shine spot here to kind of emphasize that this is a cartoon. Okay. And I would add 2 nostril curves So we know that these are like the nose holes. In fact, I'm going to move this one over a bit. There we go. Now, if you want to add, you know how some bulls or some cows that kind of have like a nose ring? If you want to add that, it's totally up to you. If you want to give your cow some lipstick, I mean, we're drawing some crazy cows here. So you decide what you want. And you also get to decide, where do you want your spots? I wonder.